Okay, class, so this is the video solution for March holiday homework. Okay, so we're going to go through, make sure you complete all the homework because I'll be checking through. I want to collect and mark. Okay, so solve these simultaneous equations, right? So I think at this point, I would do one, since there are 1, 2, 3 questions, right? I will just use one substitution for the first one, for the second one, and elimination for the first one. Okay, so we're going to label this as equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, so from here, to me, it is easier to get the lowest common multiple, which is 12, 4, 4 and 3. 5 and 4, lowest common multiple is 20. Okay, so I think I'll rather eliminate x first. Alright, so the first one, I multiply by 3. I will get 12x plus 15y equals to 21. Number 2, I times 4. So I will get 12x plus 16y equals to 20. Okay, so I'm going to take equation 3 minus equation 4, right, to get rid of the 12x. Okay, equation 3 minus equation 4. So 12x plus 15y. Okay, remember the change of sign. So 1. Okay, remember down here, you still have to do the same for the numbers. So 12 minus 12x, right? So you know that it will become 0. So you have 15y minus 16y. You get minus y equals to 1, y equals to minus 1, because you want a positive y. So sub y equals to minus 1 into any of the equation, either 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let's say I sub it into 1. Okay, so from here, sub y into 1, so it's 4x plus 5 bracket minus 1 equals to 7. So 4x equals to 7 minus 5. So 7 plus 5. 4x equals to 12. X equals to 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. Okay, so very quickly we are able to get the answer for the first one. Okay, second one, I'm going to use substitution. So the reason why is because I saw this. Okay, so this makes it easy for me to do substitution. So from 2, right, 2x minus y equals to 9. Okay, this one moves here, this one moves there. So you will get 2x minus 9 equals to y. This is equation 3. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sub equation 3 into 1. So I'm going to replace the 3y with this one, 2x minus 9. 4x plus 3, 2x minus 9 equals to 8. So 4x plus 6x minus 27 equals to 8. 10x equals to 8 plus 27. You will get 35. So x equals to 35 divided by 10, 3.5. Okay, so sub 3x equals to 3.5 into equation 3. Okay, so sum in the equation 3, and we should have y equals to 2 bracket 3.5 minus 9. So we should get 7 minus 9 equals to minus 2. Okay, can. So substitution is pretty easy, same like elimination. Okay, hopefully this helps. So your y is minus 2 and your x is 3.5. Okay, so a digital camera shop sells memory cards at X dollars each and batteries at Y dollars each. So in week 1, he sold 9 memory cards, so it's 9x, right? Plus battery is 6, right? So 6 times Y, and it equals to 237. But they want you to show that it simplifies to this, right? So all 3 numbers should be able to be divisible by 3. So divide by 3. Okay, so you will get 3x plus 2y, and if you use your calculator, 27y is 79. Okay, so once you have this answer shown. Okay, so again, the reason why we 9 plus x, because one memory card is x dollar, right? And one battery is 7. So 9 times x plus 6 times y equals to 237. Okay, then the following week, the shop owner sold 2 memory cards and 8 batteries and made 138. So 2 memory cards will be 2x, 8 batteries will be 8y, and it should be 136. Okay, then show that it can simplify. So divide by 2, I will get x plus 4y equals to 68. Okay, so you have your 2 equations. So they said, okay, now usually end of year or end level they won't specify, but this one they specify. Okay, so equation 1, equation 2. So equation 2, I will get x plus 4y equals to 68. So x equals to 68 minus 4y. Okay, so this equation 3, so sub 3 into 1. So I will get 3 bracket 6, 8 minus 4y plus 2y equals to 79. So multiply, I will have 136, right? So, wrong, times 3. So 3 times 8 is 24. 18204 minus 12y plus 2y equals to 79. Okay, so I minus off and I bring this over. Let's say I bring this over. I get minus 10y equals to 79 minus 204. So minus 10y should give me minus 125. So y so minus 10y is equals to minus 125, right? So y equals to positive 12.5. Okay, alright, so just divide. Okay, let me show the divide here. Okay, 12.5. So sub y equals to 12.5 into equation 1. No, equation 3. Okay, so we have x equals to 68 minus 4 times 12.5. You will get 18. Okay, so x is 18, y is 12.5. So these are the two prices for the memory card and the battery, right? So what's the difference in price? Difference in price will be 18 minus 12.5. Alright, you should get $5.50. Right, so overall simultaneous should be quite easy. Okay, so we're going back to graph. Okay, now I can't use the graphing sequence here because the whole paper will run. So I'm just going to show you how it's done. Okay, find the value of p. Right, so when you find the value of p, your y is p, right? And to find p, my x is 1. So y equals to minus 2 bracket 1 plus 5 minus 2 plus 5, 3. So your p is actually 3. So from here, they ask you, using the same exercise provided, draw and label the graph of x equals to minus 2, x plus 5 for 0 less than equals to x less than equals to 3. Alright, so hence solve the simultaneous equation. Okay, so how does this work? We need to plot the two graphs. Alright, so don't forget your x equals to minus 2x plus 5. Let's do this one first. Let's plot the graph first. So y equals to minus 2x plus 5. The first one we have is x is 0. Alright, y is 5. X is 0, y is 5. So when x equals to 0, I move up. Y is 5. Here is my first point. Okay, then when x is 1, then y is 3. Okay. Then when x is 2, y is 1. X is 3 minus 1. Okay, so use a ruler to draw. I can't use the graphing tool. Right. So please use ruler. Okay, then go ahead. Mark out label the graph. Y equals to minus 2x plus 5. Okay, now they ask you to use the two graphs to solve the simultaneous equation. So what you have is two lines, right? X equals to 1.5, which they have drawn for you. And you have just drawn y equals to minus 2x plus 5. Okay, so look at the point where the two lines cross each other. It is here. Right, it is here. So that means your answer, the simultaneous equation for this solution will be x is 1.5 and y is 2. Right, so the part where they cross each other is your answer to solve this simultaneous equation. Right, because each equation can be represented as a straight line. Alright, so it becomes a simultaneous equation solving by graphical methods. Okay, so your x is 1.5, your y is 2. Okay, so moving on. Now the graph of y equals to x minus 1 is shown below. Okay, so complete the tables. My y equals to 3 minus x by finding p. So again, y equals to 3 minus x. X is 5. So it's minus 2. Okay, then plot and draw the line of y equals to x minus p, x minus 3, on the same diagram as y equals to x minus 1. So they already draw for you this graph. You're going to draw the other graph. So x equals to minus 2, y is 5. Okay, x equals to 3, 3 here. No, x equals to 0, y is 3. And then the last one, x is minus 2. No, x is 5, y is minus 2. Okay, so from here, you draw one line. Okay, roughly passes through the spot. Okay, then label y equals to 3 minus x. From here, you realize that this point, their intersection point, right, is your answer to the simultaneous equation by graph method. Okay, so your x will be 2, your y will be 1. Okay, so from here, p is minus 2. Use the graph to solve. Okay, x is 2, y is 1. Now, they ask you to state the gradient and y-intercept of the equation. Now, remember that for this, your equation of straight line graph is y equals to mx plus c. So when you do a comparison, you realize there's no number here to x, but it cannot be 0, right? So it should be 1, right? So if you compare the two, your m equals to 1, your c equals to minus 1. So m is your gradient, right? Gradient. So what you will have is gradient is 1 and intercept will be minus 1. Okay? Alright, so that's it for this question. Okay, we move on to the next one. Consider the equation y equals to minus 0.5x plus 2. Find the value of a. So again, a is y when x is minus 2. So y equals to minus 0.5 minus 2 plus 2. So multiply half times 2 is 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So a equals to 3. So ask you to plot on the graph. So when a is 3, x is minus 2, y is 3. When a is 0, y is 2. When x is 3, y is 0.5, so down here. Okay, so you can see if I draw a line here, okay, it passes through this point. And this point is again, x is 2, y is 1. Alright, so, okay, draw on the grid and label. I think I cut off the last question, is it? Okay, so just label first. Y equals to minus 0.5x plus 2. Right, I think there's supposed to be one more question asking for what is the simultaneous equation or the answer for this simultaneous equation by graph method. So you should know that x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. Okay, so please complete the worksheet, finish up, right? Because I would like to collect it at the end of the week. Okay, here's the